Good afternoon, folks. Today's topic: Delhi police gets its own drones. The article is taken from The Hindu, which follows Delhi police to get its own custom made drones. First of all, having hired drones for maintaining law, order, and identifying suspects in the riot hit area since 2014. Delhi police will now procure its own custom-built unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAVs, from private vendors. Source said. So far, we have either hired drones from wedding organizers or private companies based on requirements. It was decided to get drones fitted with particular specifications such as night vision, cameras, and quicker backups, among the others. Tenders will be floated for procurement after the commissioner's approval, a senior officer told The Hindu. He added that DCPs across districts were in the past allowed to rent drones from private vendors as per their requirements. Quoted, earlier we used to rent a drone as at a specific cost on an assignment basis and then return it accordingly. Observing the need to encourage this technology, which has helped us manage crowd better and especially during mob violence, we have decided to procure our own drones. The officer said, adding that all district level officers will undergo training to use them. That is, I guess, they will be getting license to fly the drone. Introduced in 2014 during the Trilokpuri riots, the police have used drones on several occasions, including during the 2019 anti-CAA protest, the Northeast Delhi riot in 2020, and the Jahangirpuri violence this year. It was also extensively used to enforce COVID necessitated restrictions and officer. So the eye in the sky, that can be a nickname for the drones. The Special Commissioner of Police, Law and Order Zone 1, Dipendra Pathak, said while there are chances of CCTVs being manipulated, a drone hovering above the place of incident deters the person from committing the crime. CCTV can either be broken or covered using a cloth, but a drone provides a bird eye view without any scope for manipulation. The drone footage in the form of electronic evidence provides a better perspective of crime scene, he said. However, the use of drones by the police have raised a concern over invasion of privacy from various quarters. Anushka Jain, policy counsel at the Internet Freedom Foundation, said the use of drone without a defined standard operating protocol has magnified safety concerns. Footage can be accessed by private vendors and can even be manipulated by police for their own purpose, she said. The police, however, claimed they abide by all regulations. Thank you.